This is letter I and R, making the sound air. Making the sound good. So, Grace, you're going to help me pull this digraph air into these words to make a word. Are you ready? Okay, so do it. So what word is this? Girl. Good. So what's word?
Shirt.
Beautiful. Birth. Beautiful. Alright. Alright, do it. Continue. Put it here and sound this one. Okay. He's not here yet. First. Good. Now, just can you carefully put it into the words? Pronounce without sounding. Can you do it? Okay. No blending. No blending. Okay. Girl. Awesome. Awesome. I love you. I love you. Beautiful. First. And the last one. First. I'm proud of you.